July 2024 is going to be really crazy for you because in this month there are some really crazy smartphone launches from budget segment to the killer performance. So you should not miss this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and let's rock and roll. Okay, so on the top of the list we have Oppo Reno 12 series, and in this series we have Oppo Reno 12 and Oppo Reno 12 Pro. But the main highlight is Oppo Reno 12 Pro because it will come with Dimensity 7300. अभी सक्सेसर है Dimensity 7200 का, ये हम किसी और वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे, लेकिन इसके अलावा you get this LPDDR4X 12GB of RAM and you get UFS 3.1 256GB and 512GB के दो वेरिएंट्स आपको देखने को मिल सकते हैं. And not just that, you get this 6.78-inch AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. So I mean, if you drop your phone, it will not break. But we have to test it. इसके अलावा you can get this 2500 to 3000 nit peak brightness and 144 Hz of refresh rate in this device. And now come to the main point, which is camera. So you get this triple rear camera setup in this device, which is 50 plus 50 plus 8 megapixel of triple rear camera setup. And इसमें जो 50 megapixel का main camera है, you also get this OIS in that. So which is very useful if you are into vlogging also. And साथ ही में फ्रंट में भी आपको 50 मेगापिक्सल का ही कैमरा सेटअप देखने को मिलता है. एंड फ्रॉम रियर कैमरा और फ्रंट कैमरा दोनों से ही आप 4K वीडियो व्लॉगिंग कर सकते हो. लेकिन द मेन हाईलाइट इज दिस AI फीचर व्हिच दे आर आल्सो हाईलाइटिंग ऑन देयर वेबसाइट, व्हिच कैन डू लाइक AI पोर्ट्रेट मोड एंड व्हिच कैन रिमूव पीपल फ्रॉम योर बैकग्राउंड आल्सो एंड डू अ लॉट ऑफ अदर स्टफ. सो लाइक वी हैव टू टेस्ट इट, बट अभी के लिए मैं ये कह सकता हूँ इट इज रियली इंप्रेसिव. साथ ही में you get this 5000 mAh of battery which can last longer. But if we talk about the price, so price is expected around 35,000 के आसपास. Let's see price क्या आता है. So the second device is iQOO Z9 Turbo, which is expected to have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, जो कि इस समय मार्केट में एक पावर पैक प्रोसेसर चल रहा है. साथ ही में you can have this 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. So अगर ये आ जाते हैं तो I think the performance is quite good in this device. And if we talk about display, so you can have this 6.78-inch big display with 144 Hz of refresh rate. So with this processor and with this display, you can play a lot of games on this device and you can also enjoy your content without any problem. And talking of camera, it is expected to have 50 plus 8 megapixel of dual primary camera, which is very strange for me, but yeah, it is what it is. So इसके अलावा you'll get this 16 megapixel of front selfie shooter and it can record up to 4K or not. ये अभी जब launch होगा तभी समझ में आएगा. And साथ ही में you get this 6000 mAh of battery, which can last longer while your gaming sessions also. अगर 6000 mAh आती है, because ये अभी leaks हैं. But according to leaks, it is justifying the term turbo because it is expected to have Snapdragon वाला powerful chipset, powerful storage, powerful battery also. So yeah, I think it will be a power packed smartphone. And here's a special mention that you will see Samsung Galaxy Flip and Fold 6 smartphone in this month also. And यहाँ पर मैं कोई भी इधर उधर के स्पेक्स बता के आपको गुमराह नहीं करना चाहूँगा, but yeah, this is very sure कि इसमें आपको कुछ crazy AI features देखने को मिलने वाले हैं. So next is Vivo X100 Ultra. This device is expected to launch in July also, and this device could have 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate and 3000 nit peak brightness. And if we talk about the performance, you can see Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in this with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 256GB of internal storage. Talking of camera, it is expected to have 50 plus 50 plus 200 megapixel of triple rear camera setup plus 50 megapixel of front selfie shooter and 5500 mAh of battery. Specs wise, this smartphone looks really crazy, लेकिन जब ये launch होगा तब check करना होगा कि ये कितना crazy है. Next device is successor of Realme GT Neo series, and this device is expected to have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB and 128GB के दो variants expected हैं. साथ ही में you can have this 6.78-inch big display with 144 Hz of refresh rate and 4500 nits of peak brightness. I mean, अगर इन specs के साथ ये आता है तो आप गेमिंग करो या आप कंटेंट एंजॉय करो या मल्टीटास्किंग करो, आपको किसी तरह की दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. एंड अगर कैमरा की बात करें तो 50 plus 50 plus 8 megapixel का ट्रिपल रेयर कैमरा सेटअप आपको मिल सकता है with 32 megapixel of front selfie shooter and 5400 mAh of battery. And this Realme GT Neo series is specially for gamers dedicatedly, तो इसमें बैटरी अच्छा होना तो जरूरी है ही. लेट्स सी कैसा होता है. So these are the devices which is expected to launch in July 2024 and all these devices according to the specs looks really crazy. लेकिन इनमें से कौन से स्मार्टफोन सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा होगा वो हमें टेस्ट करके ही पता चलेगा. So you need to like subscribe our channel Gadget 360 and stay tuned with us. I'm your host Harshit Arora signing off.